We're back. We're back. We're back.
We're back. Okay. My name is Anaya Aline, and I'm glad to be back.
Teaspoon of Love Cookbook Challenge, brought to you by I Create. Look, we're here again. We went first time. We gave y'all a snack. Y'all loved it. We came back. What we gonna give them to them, baby?
We are going to cook. Not literally, just physically, but like, we're gonna cook, and we're gonna do a great job. Three, 2, 1.
Okay.
We have some bananas.
We got some honey.
We have some coconut flakes.
Coconut flakes, okay. We got some peanut butter. You know we love peanut butter.
We have the amazing milk chocolate chips.
Amazing, okay. We got some chopped almonds. Is this like a competition right now? Go ahead.
We have some chia seeds.
Some chia seeds. You gotta show them. See, you ain't showing them. You lost already. Okay. We got some whole grain, old fashioned rolled oats. Okay. What else you got?
We have some whole wheat wraps, the good wraps that we always use at my house.
Yeah, I know we do use those good wraps. And some berry fruit mix. Okay, we're going.
Check it.
We're about to taste test the greatest bar of all time.
Let's see if it lives up to the name.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
What you working with over here?
this is so good.
Oh, okay.
I actually love this.
Ooh, oh my god.
Oh my god. Alright.
Come on, dog. Come on, dog.
So my dad cooks on a grill. My mom cooks on a stove at my house. Cause this is what I cook.
Yeah, I know that's right. This is what you do, right? Okay. Teaspoon of Love. Thank you once again for this cookbook challenge. This is my daughter Anaya. I'm Albert. We had a great time today.
And hopefully we can come back.
Hopefully.
All
right. We'll give y'all one more.
Boom! Shakalaka, shakalaka.
And we out.